to my channel. So I'm gonna do just a random Disney mystery unboxing. So I'll show you what I have. I have the Disney Rewind. Now they came out with red ones, now blue ones are out now. And I have, whoa, Kingdom Hearts figural keyring. And I have minifigure Lego. And then this is really cool. My sister found these for me and gave them to me for my birthday. They're like, these came out in the 90s. They're like the real ones, so that is cool. So, let's get going. Alright, so let's start with the cards. So, I don't remember these at all. My sister said she remembers these, but I don't. So, we'll start with the Pocahontas one. So, these are the collectible cards that they used to do in the 90s. A lot different from today, but let's open it. There we go. Got it open finally. Alright, so here they are. So, here is this one. Here's the front, and then on the back, there must be a better path. And then there's a little description if you want to pause it and read it. Here's the other one. These are really cute, but they're definitely different than the cards that we collect today. Well, I don't collect cards, but you know, that they have out for sale today. Ooh. And then there's, oh, this is cute. So it's, let's see. Okay, so it's just a little figure that they give you, well, cardboard little figure. And I got Miko. So cute. This one. I loved Pocahontas. Growing up, it was my favorite. I used to pretend like I was Pocahontas. Like 2 Halloweens, I dressed up as Pocahontas. I do wish Pocahontas was more popular, but oh well. Right, so we'll do the second Pocahontas pack. Here's the first one. This is my path, it says. These are really cute. You could probably, like, I don't know if you'd frame them, but just stick them on the wall, I guess. I don't know. But they're really cute. I really like that they did this. It's fun that my sister was able to find these. So I don't know where my sister... No, I know where my sister got them, but the place that my sister got them at, like, how did they find these? It's so crazy. I don't know if they bought them from somebody or... I mean, they must have, but they would have had, like, a ton of them. So my cardboard cutout for this one is John Smith. These would be so fun to display. Maybe if I find somewhere I can display all the ones I get. Oh, this is kind of a cool picture, all the colors on it. This one's the colors of the wind. So Pocahontas, they were actually expecting it to be quite the big picture, but it actually flopped. And Lion King, they were actually expecting to just do okay, and that one was amazing. So it's like they flipped. So do Hunchback of Notre Dame. It's just, yeah. So it's actually the 25th anniversary of Hunchback. I only have one of these, unfortunately, but get it open. Oh, alright, I got it open. Alright, so, oh, that's cool. Oh, it's instructions. Cool. Is this like a card game? Huh. Oh yeah, that's cool. I think this is a card game. Well, that's fun. That's cool. You don't have to play it. Okay. So here is that. It says Activity. This card allows you to reattempt any one activity you have just failed. Save until needed. And then game effect. Refer to game effect on reattempted activity card. That's cool. I'm excited. My sister that gave these to me loves games, so we're gonna have to play it for sure. Oh, this is, oh my gosh, that's so cool. I wish I had more of these. This is a little tiny puzzle. That is so cool. There's the back. That's so cool. And then these you can just pop out. There's a little oh, they're the card coins. They were talking about the instructions that I saw. I don't know what this one does. Let's see. Build a tower. Oh, cool. I got some of the Notre Dame. That's really cool. I wish I got more packs. No. And then here's Esmeralda. Cute. And then there's a sheep and a shepherd. And then the court jester, I guess. It looks like it might be a puzzle too. Oh, cute. And then these. Oh, it looks like it's the tattoo, you know, those rub-on tattoos. And then this is just the normal cards. That's so fun. Dang it, I wish there was more. Maybe I'll go back to that store and hope that there's more of those. There were Pocahontas ones. I had my sister get me more, which will be in a different video. But anyway, there's Esmeralda. There. Well, that's cool. I really like, this is really fun. I wish they did this with the Pocahontas one. That would have been way cool. Alright, so next one is these. These are retired now, but you can get them on, I got this on Amazon. Some sites you can get them on. They're just more expensive. See who I got. Oh, I got Hades. Well, that's cool. I thought I actually got, who did I think of that? I don't know, but here is Hades. Let me build him. So fun. Hades looks so cool. Look at the hair. That looks so cool. I hope they make, oh, I gotta push him down more. There he goes. I hope they make more of these. This is the second in the series. I hope they make more. So cool. And then they did come with a checklist. Let's see the checklist. What ones I could have got. And I do have Mickey, Steamboat Mickey and Steamboat Minnie. And I'm not sure if my sister has all of them, but here's the ones that you can get in the box, which is awesome. Jack and Sally would be fun to get too. We got a ton of Edna, which we're done with Edna. Like, we don't need any more, but here's the checklist. Okay, so the next one is, sorry for the loud noises, the Kingdom Hearts figure keyring. I hope I get like a Sora or Mickey, but we'll see. Here's what you can get. I really like Kingdom Hearts. I really like Kingdom Hearts. I just finished the Melody of Memory, which I like the game, but it definitely is not worth 60 bucks. My sister bought it, and then my mom bought one. It was 20 bucks at Target. Isn't that crazy? Anyway, okay, here we go. Oh, I got Mickey. Yeah, it's like they knew I wanted Mickey, so they gave it to me. That's so cute. Oh my gosh, his little tiny feet. Oh, so cute. It'd be fun to get the Sora ones, though, too. Oh, it's Ventus. I was thinking that was Sora. I don't know why. Oh, that's so cool. I'm glad I didn't get the Nobody, but I'm so glad I got Mickey now. It's so cute. So the last one now is the popcorn. Now, what I can get, what I want is a Dumbo, but we'll see. I did buy one of these before, and I got Bianca, so I hope... I can't speak. I hope I don't get Bianca. So, anyway, here are they. Hercules, Dumbo, Bianca, Wally, Tinkerbell, and then I think it's a golden Hercules. Let's see what I got. Don't show that. Oh no. Oh, I guess it could be Tinkerbell. Oh, yep, it is Tinkerbell. I'm gonna give this to my sister because she loves Tinkerbell, and Tinkerbell is kind of a brat. But anyway, there's Tinkerbell. She's cute though, but She's a brat. Alright, and then it does come with these movie cards, which is so cool as well. So with these as well, you can place that on this and then put the card like that. And then that's in the background, which is so cute. That is all of my mystery items today. Leave a comment down below on what one was your favorite one. My favorite mystery item, I cannot choose. I liked them all. So leave a comment down below on if you remember those cards from the 90s too. But thank you so much for watching, and we will see you next time. Bye.